The Red Fort, also known as the Lal Kila, is a historical fort in the city of Delhi, India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the mid-17th century and served as the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty for nearly 200 years. The Red Fort is considered as a symbol of India's independence, as it was the site where India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag on August 15, 1947, marking the end of British rule. The fort is now a popular tourist attraction and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Red Fort is not only a symbol of India's rich history and cultural heritage but also a reminder of the country's struggle for independence. It is a magnificent example of Mughal architecture and is a must-visit for anyone interested in history and culture.